So welcome to our last day in New York City. Why am I starting this off with a voiceover, you might ask? Because all my audio got messed up. So a quick disclaimer, sorry about the jumbled nature of this video, but I'm blaming, once again, unreliable camera equipment. Good morning, welcome to today's video. Welcome to our last day in New York. One last ride, we're heading to see Nuria, and then we've got a flight to catch. This is the first time we've managed to take this little riverside walkway. This is the quietest ride we've done in New York. Amazing.
It's a lot less stressful than First Avenue.
Hey Nuria.
What?
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Nice to see you. You know what Lawrence told me? The bigger the flag, the better the place. And that is a freaking huge flag.
But it has a really ugly thing inside.
Oh no.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh no.
We're going to Tudor City.
Tudor City.
Yes. It is one of the few remaining historical districts in New York, and a lot of old movies like are not old movies that are supposed to be filmed in the 50s or whatever.
They use that?
They use that. You usually see film crews like filming around stuff.
New York is just one big movie set, isn't it?
It is. It's awesome.
There's a lamppost with flags on it. Lawrence would love that.
And you're lucky because there's no garbage here. Usually this is full of garbage.
Daisy looks like a giant.
Yeah.
Oh, cyclists were here. They got loads of punches.
Yeah.
Loads of punches.
You can see like they're very old buildings. And if you want to change even the windows, you need a special permit from the city because it's historic.
Yeah, it looks a little bit different to the rest of New York, doesn't it?
Yeah. Over here, we're gonna go to the bridge where, you know Manhattan Hedge? No? It is when the sun sets on the other side of the island and you can see the sun setting across all of the streets. So you can see it from here all the way to the west side.
Check out these weird, like that one's fairly new, but people have stuck GoPro mounts to this fence so they can film the sunset. I mean, this one's been painted over. It's been there so long. Tourists.
I was like that.
Yeah, and I was like this, like...
Remain calm. There is actually Lawrence. So it said 7 degrees this morning. Came out just with a hoodie on. Mistake. 7 degrees in New York is not the same as 7 degrees in London. It's kind of sad. When are we going to see you again?
Well, I'll probably come to London
Yeah.
sometime soon.
We can do a ride longer than 20 minutes.
Yeah, and when it's not freezing, maybe I'll bring my new bike.
I want to see your new bike. Bye, Tequila. Bye-bye.
And for the record, put it on the record, we did not drink anything alcoholic today. Daisy.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
Mad on a cloud and I think that you're cool. We could be friends, hang out by the pool. Then your dad gets home and he mad at the fool. I'm a dog with a bone, did you catch that? Or, I can't move on.
Welcome to the tourist portion of today's vlog. What are we doing?
Ice skating.
The time has come. We couldn't do it yesterday because we were too hungover.
I'm still hungover. The other night was like so intense. I ended up in a club in the middle of a 20-person dance-off.
Did you win?
I couldn't even tell you.
I saw her from a distance. I think she won.
I can't believe it. The ice rink has melted.
Oh no. So we made it home safely on the flight. As you can see, it is Christmas. Christmas lights, Christmas tree, Christmas balloons. The house is currently a bit of a mess. We still need to unpack the bikes for what will be a bit of an announcement. One of the last ever rides on the 8 bars. I've had an amazing time riding for the 8 bar team this year, but it is coming to an end because I've got something very cool coming in the new year. I'll reveal more next week, but I just want to get Christmas out of the way first. We're just planning and trying to get a few people together for a ride around London on Christmas Day. Stay tuned for that. I am jet lagged. I just had a 2-hour nap and I'm going to go and have a proper sleep on top of my nap. Thank you as always for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos from New York and I'll see you guys Christmas Day.